Yeah, they have a kamikaze jacket.
Kamikaze jacket. Wow. You can do it. Let's go.
Why? Let's take a video of this.
Trench road. Beyond this fence, there's booby traps. It's crazy, man.
I mean, like landmines that probably still existed in there.
Yeah, mines, holes. It's crazy. Snake breeding area. Got snakes everywhere in here. Oh yeah.
There's
guy
one
just
in the
chilling
back
there.
behind it too. Like on the other tree. Oh, and then there's one above it.
Yeah.
Now that you like point it out, like you can see it.
There's another guy there in the corner.
They wouldn't just like fall down.
No, they wouldn't.
Do you want to go to the other side?
Sure. Let's have a look.
You can see some snake skin in the trees too.
The dude hiding there.
They can live long life. They can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centuries, no problem.
He's 100 years old?
This is more than 100 years old.
Wow.
Actually, this one, 10 years ago, I went to the jungle to found snake. Accidentally, I saw it, so I took it back here. I carry back here, okay? So when I carry back here, at first I thought that he is about 80 to 90 years old. But one day, one of the guy, he's from US, he's from UK, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He came here, he saw this one, he let me know this is at least 150 years old.
Wow.
Because he know. Why? He's a marine biology.
Oh, okay.
So, and I asked, how do you observe the year? You see, just like a wood, a tree. You cut down a tree, they got a line, right?
Oh yeah, like
So
this
same.
thing.
This is the line.
Hold up.
Yeah. It's uncountable. The line is uncountable.
Oh, okay, yeah, like you know when you cut the tree in the
Yeah.
circle.
Yeah.
Then they will strike you. You want to feed them with chicken. Okay? That's why we call it the granite python. Okay? เป็นขั้นต้ามังเสือ That's the albino Burmese python. They also special crossbreed from America.
Doesn't that one like squish you?
你可以进来这边 That the big one, we call it a reticulated python,
It's so big.
and they claim to be the longest species in the
The one
world.
that like wraps down too, like
In the
squishes.
world, they wrap you up, they strangle you, and that can easily swallow you.
Swallow me.
That
Oh.
can even swallow a cow. So you piece of cake. Yeah. So snake, this one when they strike you, they curve like an S sign. That means they're going to launch at you.
Oh, okay.
That's a warning sign. Warning you, don't near me, far away.
Yeah. Is he aggressive?
Oh yes. See?
Whoa.
So you see, if I don't move, they won't move. Once I move,
Whoa.
see that? Once I move, once I go in, bomb. That's right.
So how do you guys like move him?
Pardon?
Like how did you move him from that one?
Oh,
to
we,
this one?
we know how to handle this species.
Yeah.
We have been trained for this species. So if you didn't, if you not, sorry, you don't need this one. Because you know why? They bite you, take how long to kill you? Only 15.
Yeah.
15
'Cause I
minutes
think
or 15
they,
seconds?
They,
15 minutes.
the venom
Oh.
like swells your the blood cells or something.
Yeah,
Like it
they
like
immobilize your blood.
yeah.
Paralyze
Makes
you.
it too thick
Yeah.
and then you can't do it.
So they go to your heart, paralyze your heart. You see?
So he can only see it like.
Actually, why this one like that, open out and close like that? Because she's here quite some time already.
Yeah.
Not so aggressive already. If the wild one, I cannot open out and do like that.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
will find, he will get me. Okay?
She's a girl?
She.
How can you tell?
Whoa.
See, they got a symbol at the back.
Oh.
Yeah.
Symbol. Oh, yeah.
Oh look, do you see it's like breathing like that?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That guy knows.
Oh, there's another one there too.
Yeah. Jeez.
See? Small, but it's very aggressive. It's new here. Right?
Yeah.
See? It's mean that.
Trying to give him attitude?
Girl. Savage. Yo, you hear that?
Yeah.
Yo, my hands are so sweaty, I can't snap.